This is the current global map of submarine communication cables. There are over 500 cables in total, stretching more than 1.3 million kilometers in length, enough to circle the Earth 32 times. They carry over 99% of the world's international data traffic, including the video you're watching right now, which is likely transmitted via these undersea cables. But how exactly are these cables laid across the ocean floor? I used to think you could just drop the cables into the ocean. Turns out I was oversimplifying things. Due to the complex seabed environment, laying a submarine cable requires meticulous planning and surveying first. Routes must avoid underwater mountains, volcanic zones, earthquake-prone areas, and prioritize flatter seabeds. To determine the optimal path for the cables, specialized cable-laying ships then transport and deploy the cables. These ships have cable tanks. A large vessel can carry thousands of kilometers of cable and use advanced positioning systems to ensure precise alignment with the planned route. The process differs between deep sea and shallow water cable laying. In deep sea areas over 1,000 meters deep, cables are simply laid directly onto the seabed, but in shallow waters under 1,000 meters, the task becomes far more complex. Here, cables face multiple threats of damage. Over 70% of submarine cable failures are caused by fishing nets or ship anchors. Sharks, attracted to electromagnetic signals, may also bite the cables. Strong currents in shallow waters can shift or twist cables, leading to breaks. Repairs are extremely challenging. Locating the exact damage is often the first hurdle. Thus, submarine cables have multiple protective layers. Despite their thick appearance, the data transmitting core is just a few hair-thin optical fibers. In shallow zones, ships use high-pressure water jets or mechanical plows to bury cables 1-3 meters below the seabed, allowing natural sedimentation. Finally, near coastlines, the cables are connected to landing stations to complete the network. These submarine cables enable instant global data transfer, transforming the world into an interconnected global village.